Now in this next training, what I'm going to do here is show you how to take an ebook and zip it up, an ebook or a video file. It really does not matter what the file is, but I want to show you how to actually zip it up so your customers can download it as a zip file. So what you want to do here is go to the folder where your ebook was saved. So if you took a Word document and saved it as an ebook, what you're going to do to make it into a zip file is right click and choose send to, right click, send to compressed zip folder. Right click, send to a compressed zipped folder, and you could, call this whatever you want to call it, ebook, example. I like to kind of make them lowercase, and so it's easier for them to download, so that way it loads correctly on your server. That's up to you, but you can actually rename it after it saves the PDF. So again, you're just going to right click on the file and choose send to compressed zip file. That's how you turn it into a zip file. You don't need fancy unzipping software. You don't need to pay for it. It comes standard on Windows computer. Mac computers also have a similar application. So you absolutely do not have to go through the process of purchasing, downloading, and using these other tools. So right click, compress zip file. Then the other thing that you would do here, if let's say you have multiple files, like let's say you're selling PLR to this, so you're going to give them the Word document and the ebook, or let's say you have video files, so you have multiple videos to work with, you would just highlight each of the documents here. So we're just going to right click, we're going to highlight each of these documents or each of the files by hitting control. So hit your control key on your keyboard, which is over by the function key on the far left, below the shift key, and you're going to highlight each one of these. As you click on them, they're going to become clickable. So let's say I wanted to zip up these three files here. I would right click and I'm going to choose send to compressed zip file, and let's just, we'll call this PLR ebook example. And so now we've got all three files in our zip folder and they're ready to be uploaded to our server.